What would your rebuild plan be if you were starting from zero today? It would be focus on my income. It would be focusing on churn. It would be not investing at all. It would be arbitraging. It would be grading. It would be buying collections and flipping. It would be consigning. It would be flipping, not investing whatsoever. I think one mistake a lot of people make, a lot of people invest when they have almost nothing. Focus on growing your net. Focus on growing your cash flow. Focus on growing your ability to turn things over until your time is limiting. That's my thoughts.